Welcome back to Market Master Roland Attenborough. This is a quick overview of my forecasting course. I have this ginormous binder from WD I bought it 2 decades ago. I purpose built this square of 9 right here, and I made these booklets, and I've tied together all the things inside this thing here so that you can figure out how to do the longitude of the prices, use the square in the center to do all your forecasting. These are 2 documents that come directly from this course to you. This is a 4-inch binder. It's ginormous. This is only a little tiny bit of it. So these are the core elements to learn how to do forecasting, and I teach you all of them. This is the work booklet that you'll be filling out. This is kind of the introductory booklet. This is 6 pages. You'll be making this forecast on this page, and you'll be going through all these years here, and you'll be filling this all out with me, right with you. I'm going to help you do this right with you. You're going to fill out every single one of these years, depending on how many years back we have data for whatever it is we're doing. But this will be for the S&P 500 for you guys, for introductory. For my advanced, they're going to have to do 4 of these booklets, or at least 3 anyways. So once we filled in all the 5 pages, we'll go back to the front of the workbook, and then we'll fill this in, and then we'll add our scale, and then we'll populate our forecast so that it will look like this. This is my hand-drawn forecast from 2023, right? This is it, right? And then I drew the scales for it. This is Saturn, that's Jupiter, and here you can see I said that by the time May 2025, right, watch Bitcoin, it's going to be a top, bud. Right? It's back to its triple witching, just like I said it was going to be. So carrying on with the course, the advanced course carries on further, and we learn about the resistance levels based on planets and the longitude of prices. That comes directly from this. Nobody in the world can figure this out. I even showed Cody Jones of WDGAN.com, where I bought all this stuff off of his lovely mother, Nikki, 2.5 decades ago, and I purpose built this, put it all together, and I showed Cody how to do it as well. This is a very in-depth thing about resistance levels, and this is the price scales, right? So this is my hand-drawn one. I've already preloaded this for all my students. So this is the sun, then I got the moon, carries all the way on through Venus, Jupiter, and we ended up with Saturn here. Okay, so that's for my advanced class. It also comes with all of this material right here. All of this stuff comes directly from this right here. So this is just a fragment. Also comes with these 3 books. I'm going to include these because these are super important books. This one, How to Make Profits in Commodities, 45 Years in Wall Street, super awesome book. Tunnel Through the Air, major cycles, major. Anyways, I teach all of this over a course of 3 days for my advanced students. It's a 5-day all-inclusive. It's $10,000. And you can book it anytime. And my schedule is opening up in August, and anybody that wishes to book any one-on-one time with me is to text me. And when you're ready, when you have holidays, you can book me and we will be one-on-one, and I'll show you exactly how to do all of this stuff. Now for our welcome workshop, for someone who's only going to maybe learn about the square from this booklet here, and maybe we get into the forecasting and we build one forecast, that's $2,000 for 1 day with me, and it's going to be heavy and intense. It's going to be a long, busy day. You also get 5 days or 4 days to decompress and be on holiday with your family or whatever. So text me. That's $2,000. It's 1 day heavy duty with me. Otherwise, all my advanced people, you get one of these. You go through this entire thing. You fill out and make at least 3 forecasts. Plus, you're going to fill out this entire planetary scale. And you're going to learn all about the resistance levels based on the planets and where they are. And then we will use the scale and where the planets are in the zodiac to find and make these forecasts. All right, guys. Peace and love to you. Hit me up. Text me. I want a 1 day or I want the advanced. Let me know. Peace and love, brothers.